All right, folks, today, Dr. J, I'm going to show you how to make my special baked chicken. It's a secret, but I'm going to show you how. First step, you got to grease up the pan. So I'm hitting it with Pam so that the chicken comes right off. Okay, the next step is you need 1/3 of Cajun spices, sugar, and kosher salt. It's got to be rough kosher salt because you're going to rub it into the skin of the chicken. All right, now we take that mix, the spice mix, and we rub it into the skin of these chicken thighs. I like thighs because they cook up nicely and it's just my favorite part of the chicken. All right, so this is what they look like when we've got the sugar, the Cajun spices, and the kosher salt rubbed onto the skin of the chickens. Then we throw them into the oven here at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Then we'll check them.